on the stage with a huge round of applause. Teenu has scored in class 10 99.8%. First question is, what was your schedule during the preparation? Akshay?
So during the starting months, I used to come to school regularly, and I was a part of the Sanskriti Plus program. Then I used to go home and start studying till 6 o'clock. And I used to study only for 2 hours in the beginning months. And that was enough. During my study breaks, I used to take a short power nap of 30 minutes or 45 minutes, which improved my focus and concentration. I had distractions, but during the initial months, though, you have to limit yourself and set a time for yourself that I will only watch my phone or TV for half an hour or 1 hour. But during the last months, एक बार फ्लो स्टेट बन गया था मेरा, तो खुद का ही मन नहीं होता था कि बार बार फ़ोन देखूं. So my social science was the weakest, and I used to score very low in all the tests. So I read NCERT multiple times, and I learned Sheshna ma'am's notes. Apart from that, whatever points were there in NCERT which were missing in the notes, I used to write them down in the header, and so it saved my time of reading NCERT again and again. In mathematics, I solved the packages which are given to you, and NCERT. I also did RD Sharma, the exercises and the solved examples 2 to 3 times.
Let me tell you, scoring 100 on 100 in language subjects is actually very difficult.
So I used OSWAL refresher. It is very good. जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स थे या ऐसे वर्ड्स थे जो मेरे आंसर को इम्प्रूव करेंगे, वो मैं अलग से लिख लेती थी और ये मेक श्योर करती थी कि उस चैप्टर से कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए मैं वो वर्ड्स लिख के ही आऊँगी, मतलब आंसर को ऐसा मोल्ड कर लूँगी, तो उससे एग्जामिनर इम्प्रेस हो जाता है एंड यू गेट गुड मार्क्स. राइटिंग ज़्यादा नहीं करनी है, मतलब 10-15 वर्ड्स if you exceed it's fine, but not more than that. So during the final months I used to wake up till 7:38, फिर 9 तक मैं पढ़ती थी, थोड़ा ब्रेक लेके 11 to 2:33 तक पढ़ती थी, फिर वापस ब्रेक लेती थी of 1 hour, and 4 to 8 I used to study, and after 8 sometimes I used to study from 9 to 10:30, otherwise not. 11 I used to sleep. Solve 1 or 2 sample papers in every subject, but it was not there to check my knowledge. I just did them for the time management, and but I focused more on PYQs because they are more helpful. You have to work on your presentation skills. The second is start studying from now rather than piling it up at the end of December or November or just before pre-boards. Start covering the syllabus from now on, even if it's only 2 hours a day, but study from now onwards only. And believe in yourself, do not lose your confidence, focus on PYQs and manage your time wisely. Don't waste it right now, and presentation is very important and boards are very easy.
Go to